Hi guys, how to add cracked game to Steam. Now, open the Steam application on your computer and select the Library tab at the top to access your game collection. This is your command center for everything you play. Navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen, click the Add a Game button, and choose Add a non-Steam game. This tiny button is the secret to launching any game through Steam, even Roblox or Minecraft. If your game is not visible in the automatically populated list, don't worry, just click the Browse button to open your File Explorer. This is where most people give up, so stay with me. Search through your computer folders to locate the installation path of the game, find its application executable.exe file, and click it. Here is a pro tip. Look inside folders like Program Files or wherever you originally installed the game. Ensure the checkbox next to your newly added game is marked in the menu. Then click Add Selected Programs to insert it into your active library list. Keep watching because next, I'll show you how to rename the game and add custom artwork so it looks perfect in your Steam library.